iPhone 5 here, and I'm going to show you what you can do if your screen is basically black, but you can still hear it vibrate or feel it vibrate or hear it ring, and it's basically just a display issue. And what you can do, I can show you what I did here, but my screen is working, but let's pretend that it's not working. I'm going to show you 3 steps here what you can do, okay? First step is this, very simple, is you want to hold down the power button and the home button simultaneously, okay? So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to continually hold this down, pretend the screen is black, and wait till you see the Apple logo pop up. Just wait, and bam, once you see that, chances are your phone's going to be back up and running. Let this go ahead and run through the process. If this doesn't work, I'll show you the next possible step you can do. Okay, that took about 30 seconds to boot back up. Okay, so the second option basically is this, okay? We're going to do almost the same thing, but this time we're going to hold down the power button for 3 seconds and keep it held down, and then what you want to do is press the home button. So you have both of these buttons held down until you see the Apple logo come onto your phone. So let's do it here, okay? So I'm going to hold this for 3 seconds. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to hold the home button. So both the buttons are being held down now, and pretend the screen is black, okay? And you just want to wait till you see the Apple logo. Okay, now I see that. Now I'm just going to wait for it to boot up completely. Maybe it'll take about 30 seconds or so. Don't touch it. Let it boot up. Okay, so if that second option didn't work for you, what you can do is the third option. And basically what you can do is, see, the thing is, it's possible that your backlight display cable got dislodged. Like for instance, if you drop your phone, and this happens on a lot of iPhones. What you can do is you can turn your phone over and you can look where the camera is or the flashlight. And what you can do is you can try to push down on here firmly. Press down on here really hard. And I know some people were able to get their phone back on, but go ahead and push down firmly on here. And then turn it over, and hopefully your phone is back on. And if it's not, what you can do is you can take your phone apart, and you can go inside here and you can push that metal plate that's down here. I'll put a link in the description of another video you can see where you can take the phone apart and just push down on that metal piece, and bam, your phone is up and running again. So this works for you guys. Please give me a thumbs up and let me comment with what